Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm excited to bring you another practical computer science tutorial today. In this video, we're covering how to change your time zone on Windows Perfect if you've moved to a new location or your system clock is showing the wrong time. We'll go step by step to update your time zone whether you're on Windows 10 or 11, and I'll share some tips to avoid common issues. Let's get your clock set right. Stick with me, and let's get started. Alright, let's dive in. First, click the Start button, that Windows icon on your taskbar, and select Settings. Go to Time and Language on the left sidebar, then click Date and Time. Scroll down to the Time Zone section. You'll see a drop-down menu showing your current time zone like Pacific Standard Time. Click the drop-down and choose your new time zone, for example, Eastern Standard Time if you're in New York. If you want Windows to adjust, automatically turn on the Set Time Zone, automatically toggle above the drop-down. If the time still looks wrong, click Sync Now under Synchronize Your Clock to update it with an internet time server. One tip: if the time zone won't change, check if you have admin rights. You might need to log in as an administrator to make this change. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support encourages me to keep creating content like this, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments which time zone you switched to. I'd love to hear. See you in the next video.